I'm Dr. Vidyut Jain. I'm calling from Indore. I work in this city for almost 30-40 years as a cardiologist. And in my clinical practice, I've seen different spectrum of the cardiac problem, right from children to the elderly people. So, well, cardiac diseases are common, and unfortunately, there's a higher morbidity and increased mortality in this society. And we need to take care of that. And World Heart Organization celebrates the World Heart Day for that reason, to make people more aware about the cardiac problem. Yeah, every person need not to go for heart checkup. The person is beyond the age of 30, 35, having family history of heart disease, or otherwise having the problems like high blood pressure, diabetes, or having a smoking habit, they should become be cautious and they should take care. For that, they first have to understand their symptom of the any problem related to the heart disease like breathlessness on exertion, chest pain on exertion, or extreme exhaustion. They should consult their family physician or a cardiologist, whosoever is available to him. Let him examine, let him conclude what is likelihood. Then possibly his physician will ask for the couple of tests if you suspect that. Simplest is the ECG. After that, he will ask for minimum lipid profile, blood sugar, and then after ECG is normal, and if the suspicion is high, then he will ask for treadmill test. If that is all right, fine. If there's a suspicion further, in today's era, in many countries, CT coronary angio is done not for everyone, only for the highly suspected patient where there is strong family history and person wants to know what about him. In that case, CT coronary angio is nowadays a part of general checkup in a selected subgroup of the patient. Yeah, most of the patient will get some symptom, but these symptoms are not always very specific. But in case he gets pain, chest pain, which is coming more after exertion, tense situation or strenuous exercise or unaccustomed exercise, will come down a pain in the left side of the chest, sometimes radiating to the left arm, extending to the throat, sometime in the jaw. You'll feel heaviness in the chest, a burning sensation, more so after sometime meals, sometimes he will say belching, and occasionally he will say backache. And 5 to 10% may not get any warning. But in case they get certain symptom, they can definitely discuss with their physician about the analysis of this particular symptom. So these are the simple warning which patient can get, and he can get and discuss with the doctor. I will talk in different way. Unfortunately, COVID era is a very bad era which we are facing all over the world. Now there are two or three aspects. Whether the COVID infection, which is due to virus, can cause heart damage, yes or no. So this particular coronavirus has a three problem. Number one, it can cause increased coagulability of the blood, means increased thickening of the blood, which can definitely block pulmonary artery, that is pulmonary embolism. It can block the peripheral vein, that is venous thrombophlebitis, and similarly it can cause the coronary artery blockage or cerebrovascular blockage. So there's an increased incidence of the heart disease. Number two, virus directly can affect without damaging the artery, it can directly affect the muscle. That is known as myocarditis. That's why most of the patient who comes to the corona ward, their troponin test is also being done simultaneously so as to understand whether patient is running high risk for the corona disease, whatever he's got. So these are the three things. Number three, some patients are being overlooked because they are afraid of always corona. They are not going to the doctors. Even if they have cardiac problem, they are trying to tackle their problem at home. Sometimes it's a difficult situation and patient comes in late stage and they suffer more cardiac morbidity and mortality. In anti-angina, the mostly don't require, depending on the blood pressure, their medicine to be continued. Blood thinner to be continued because that always helps in the management of corona. And anti-arrhythmic if patient is taking on, he should continue. And statin is also supposed to be good for the corona patient. So I doubt most of drugs will be safe. I affirm that most of drugs are safe, and I doubt very few drugs will be withdrawn. There was controversy regarding the ACE inhibitor and ARB, but that has been sorted out, and it is understood those who are taking it should continue antihypertensive in the form of ACE inhibitor or ARB, whatever it is. Well, sleep has a certain different type of impact, and the diurnal variation patient may get more heart attack during early morning hours. That is what we know because of the circadian rhythm which we have. But a good sleep is always good for good immunity. A good sleep is always good for the heart to work better. And disturbed sleep is always patient mostly are awake. They are more tense, more anxiety. So better to have good sleep. That will give good immunity. It will give good rest to the heart, and blood pressure will be also controlled. World Heart Day is basically done with the intention that we should make people more aware about the cardiac problem and their possible prevention, particularly any possibly if data time is there, then patient should be treated promptly and should also take care of his disease not to recur in future. So all three aspects can be covered by increasing awareness about the cardiac diseases. So World Heart Organization has defined it around on the last Sunday of the September or 29th of the September would be definitely celebrated as to increase the awareness about the cardiac problem in the society. So my message is that well everyone should take care about his heart by having good diet, good no smoking, weight reduction in case he is obese. Patient if he has a diabetes or high blood pressure should be properly treated. If he has high cholesterol problem should be taken care, and he should take care of his mental stress if it is there. Yoga meditation may be additional help to him, and if at all he has some problem which he is not able to solve, he should take help from the friends, relatives, and to sort his problem out of the tension also. However, the medical problem will be tackled by the physician or the treating doctor.